Hi everyone, welcome back to the G Live. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you how I make my homemade Crunchwrap Supremes. These are a specialty from Taco Bell and we love going to Taco Bell, but it's not the healthiest. So let me show you guys the ingredients. First of all, you'll need some burrito sized tortillas. These are the ones I get. You'll need some romaine lettuce, just a little bit of it, some kind of nacho cheese. You can make your own, but I just do the canned. You'll need some ground meat. I use ground turkey, but ground beef is perfectly fine. I also like to mix the pinto beans into my meat, and then some taco seasoning, and then as a sour cream replacement, I use Greek yogurt. And then you'll need tostadas. I don't have any, so I'm making my own. You'll also need some shredded cheddar cheese and a tomato. So to get started, I'm going to start with my meat. I just have ground turkey. Taco Bell does do ground beef, but I don't really cook ground beef in our house, so I'm just doing ground turkey, and I'm just going to let that cook all the way through. Once the meat is fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add the beans, and the only reason I'm adding beans is just to bulk up the meat for it so it can last me longer than just this one meal. And then I'm adding some water and then adding some taco seasoning. This taco seasoning I get from Costco. I really love it. It tastes super good. I think I did about 4 tablespoons of the taco seasoning, and I probably added about a cup or 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and cover the meat mixture and let all the seasonings sink in. And then I'm going to move over to my tostadas. Like I said, I don't have any tostadas, so I'm just getting corn tortillas, putting a little bit of olive oil on them, and then I'm going to put them in the oven and let them get nice and toasty. I do this all the time instead of buying tostadas. It's just cheaper and it doesn't take much time at all. They're probably done in about 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'm going to start cutting my vegetables. I'm going to dice up a tomato, and then I'm going to chop up some lettuce as well. So now to assemble my Crunchwrap, I first heated up the tortillas. I'm going to lay down some meat and then put some nacho cheese sauce on top. I'm going to get one of my tostadas, and then on top of that I will add some Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream. We just always use Greek yogurt in replacement of sour cream. And then you're going to add your vegetables. This one was for my husband and he doesn't like tomatoes, so I just put a little bit of romaine lettuce on his. And then you're going to top that off with cheese. And then you're just going to go ahead and wrap it up and put it in the pan. I made a total of 3 this day and they were so good and they're really easy. We make these probably once every 2 or 3 months. It's kind of like a treat meal, I guess you can say, but it's way healthier than actually going to Taco Bell. I don't follow an actual recipe for this. I went on Pinterest and I googled a Crunchwrap Supreme and there was tons that came up, like tons and tons and tons. But I kind of just looked at all of them and kind of just made it my own. So this is the way I make it. Obviously, you can make it your own way. Like I said, I use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. I make my own tostadas. I add beans to my meat mixture. So it just depends on how you like it. But this is how we like it and it tastes really yummy. And then you're just going to put the wraps in a pan and let them get nice and crispy on the top and the bottom. And make sure that they don't open up, because if they open up, they're going to get destroyed. I like to pair this with some kind of vegetable, so I did broccoli with mine, and that was pretty much it, guys. This recipe is so easy, so simple, and my husband loves it, I love it, and my 2-year-old loves it. So we all really enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you guys will try it. If you do, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.